How to disable Instagram story comments. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device, then log into your account. After you logged into your account, click on your story and then add a picture or take a picture and post it on your story. After it's posted, simply click on your story and click on three dots located on bottom right. Then you'll find all these options. Click on turn off comments. It's the last option below. Go to story settings and you're good to go. Your comments will be turned off. That's how you disable Instagram story comments. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.